Your design looks great on screen, but the print comes out cropped or off color. Well then, let's fix that before you send the file. Okay, so now you're ready to send this to your customers or print this. But first, you have to make sure that your document is set up properly. So first, you have to go to File and then Document Setup. Now go to Bleed and Slug section, and you have to add 0.125 inches on all sides, and then hit OK. And now you have these red lines all over your document. So the next thing is to export your file properly. So you have to go to File and then Export. And you have to make sure the format is Adobe PDF Print and then Save. And for Adobe PDF Preset, make sure that it's Press Quality and go to Marks and Bleeds and then click on Crop Marks and enable Use Document Bleed Settings. This is the one that we put earlier. And then you have to check the color mode. So go to Output, and here in Destination, it's either CMYK or RGB. So it's up to you. For print, make sure your image and document use CMYK, and for digital, use RGB. And a bonus tip, save these settings as a custom PDF preset so you never have to redo them. And then just click on Export. And that's it. Now you'll never send a bad print file again. Comment print ready if you learned something new.